This CBT module has been developed for crew members, whose airline has subscribed to the Lido eRM Manual Weather module. In this CBT, pink rectangles will draw your attention to a specific part of the display. When starting the CBT, the Menu tab shows a listing of all chapters, while selecting the Transcript tab displays the script for the video currently displayed. The volume control button and the basic player control are located below the video window. You can continue your lesson to the previous or next video by selecting previous or next respectively. The exit button is located in the top right corner and allows you to quit the CBT when required. The Lido eRM Manual Weather is a module in the Lido eRM Manual application. It retrieves weather data from the Lido weather server and displays weather phenomena in the form of polygons on the en route map. Additionally, textual airport weather information is available for all airports in your airline's library. Depending on the configuration used by your airline, the functionalities of the Lido eRM Manual Weather may slightly differ from those shown in this course. A detailed description of the Lido eRM Manual Weather's functionalities can be found in the user guide available within the application. The weather information displayed in the Lido eRM Manual comes from the Lido weather server. The weather data is downloaded automatically whenever the Lido eRM Manual is connected to the Internet. Provided that the application remains connected to the Internet, further data updates will be downloaded according to the time interval prescribed by your airline. To manage the display of polygons belonging to each weather phenomenon on en route map, select the Weather Layer button to open the Weather Areas window. In this window, all weather phenomena subscribed by your airline will be displayed. Deselecting or selecting a specific weather phenomenon, for example SIGMETs, allows you to hide or display all SIGMET polygons on the en route map. Let's begin with the first weather phenomenon, cloud top heights, by deselecting the rest of the weather phenomena. The data for cloud top heights consists of each cloud depicted on the en route map either as a polygon or combination of polygons depending on the calculated cloud top height. The cloud top height value is displayed in the middle of the cloud polygon as the maximum flight level reached by clouds in the area. It is an estimated value, which is calculated based on cloud top temperature and other auxiliary data, such as surface elevation and type. Cloud coverage and top height depiction are based on the actual observation and contain no forecast. The date and time of observation and expiration of the cloud top height data is displayed in the Weather Areas window. Please note that the time is shown in UTC time. If expired, the validity information will be replaced with the red text, Data expired. Deselect to remove layer. Selecting the red text will remove all its polygons from the en route map. If a single polygon is expired, it will disappear automatically from the en route map without any notification. Next, we will look at the weather phenomenon, convection, by deselecting the cloud top height and then selecting convection in the Weather Areas window. The data for convection consists of storms depicted on the en route map as polygons, with the color of the polygon indicating the severity of the storm's convection. There are 4 colors for quick recognition of the severity of the storm's convection. A green polygon suggests a storm with possible or likely convective hazards. A yellow polygon suggests a strong storm with convective hazards that include lightning and/or overshooting top. A red polygon suggests a strong storm with convective hazards that include lightning and overshooting top. A black polygon indicates possible data error. Storm polygons are depicted based on real-time data, while the arrow indicates the forecasted direction of the convection for the next hour from the observation time. The date and time of observation and expiration for the convection data is displayed in the weather areas window. Please note that the time is shown in UTC time. If expired, the validity information will be replaced with the red text data expired. Deselect to remove layer. Selecting the red text will remove all its polygons from the en route map. If a single polygon is expired, it will automatically disappear from the en route map without any notification. Now, let's display Sigmat's polygons on the en route map by deselecting convection and then select Sigmat's in the weather areas window. The date and time of issued and expiration for the Sigmat's data is displayed. Please note that the time is shown in UTC time. If expired, the validity information will be replaced with the red text, data expired. Deselect to remove layer. Selecting the red text will remove all Sigmat polygons from the en route map. If a single polygon is expired, it will disappear automatically from the en route map without any notification. To access detailed information about a specific Sigmat polygon on the en route map, long tap on the polygon. The attribute lookup window with weather tab selected by default will be displayed. In the window, the Sigma name of the selected polygon will be highlighted with its textual information displayed underneath. If there are overlapping polygons at the point you have long tapped, the attribute lookup window will display a list of Sigmat names belonging to the overlapping polygons. Selecting a specific Sigmat name from the list allows you to view its content. Additionally, the selected polygon will be highlighted on the en route map. A Sigmat name consists of the following: echolocation indicator, sequence number, validity period start date and time in UTC, validity period end date and time in UTC, and the unique Sigmat ID. Volcanic ash data is also presented in the form of a polygon on the en route map. Volcanic ash polygons are depicted in orange and displayed when weather phenomenon, Sigmats, is selected. The steps to access detailed information about a specific volcanic ash polygon on the en route map is identical to the Sigmat polygons. A long tap on the polygon will display the attribute lookup window. In the window, the Sigma name of the selected polygon will be highlighted with its textual information displayed underneath. If there are overlapping polygons at the point you have long tapped, the attribute lookup window will display a list of Sigmat names belonging to the overlapping polygons. Selecting a specific Sigmat name from the list allows you to view its content. The selected polygon will be highlighted on the map. Finally, you can access weather information for airports that your airline has subscribed to. To access weather information for a specific airport subscribed to by your airline, long tap on the aerodrome symbol to display the airport lookup window. If the airport is subscribed to by your airline, the weather tab will be enabled. Select the weather tab to access the weather information, meter and TAF, for the airport. If an airport is not subscribed to by your airline, the weather tab in the airport lookup window will be disabled by default. Let's bring it all together. Now that you have seen all the possibilities of Lido eRoute manual weather, we would like to ask you a few questions about using the application. How can you perform a weather data update? Correct, Just connect to the internet. How can you manage the display of polygons belonging to each weather phenomenon on en route map? Correct, that is how you manage it. How can you access detailed information about a specific SIGMAT polygon displayed on the en route map?